This 2025 Winnebago View 24T is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features air conditioning, slide-out, refrigerator, microwave, leveling jacks, awning. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago View 24T is built on a Mercedes Benz chassis and is powered by a Mercedes Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.